Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and we have received 2 entries for our June challenge. We just finished making our little June challenge ledger here, so we get to start using it today. Now I'm going to dedicate this front part for my title, so I'm going to start adding the names and things here. That video is up, so you should see it right before this one. This entry come from Diane Christie. And this is her envelope. I'm going to use this envelope to make a journal out of, so watch for that later. I love this envelope. It's nice and thick. I don't know if she made this, maybe? I don't know, but it's nice and thick. And then I love how she covered this back. Isn't that pretty? I like that. But I will be using that envelope. This is what she sent. So let's see. This is the front part. It says 20 warm wishes. Oh, that is neat. That's our grandson is turning 20. May you travel the world and see amazing places. Enjoy the wonders God has for you. He loves to travel. And it has been really getting him lately because he hadn't been able to travel. That is cute. They actually have a camper. Are we there yet? That's cute because he does say that a lot too. Oh. The Holy Spirit empowers believers, and it's got a 20 on there. How neat. I've got to look at every piece of this. Memories. So, and then there's all kinds of, which she did out here too. She put all kinds of scenery on here from different places. Remember God's righteous actions. Micah 6, 1 through 5. And she's got another 20 out there. And then here it says, this looks like a lot of titles to songs. Blessed Assurance, A King Like This, Victory in Jesus, What a Friend We Have in Jesus, Wide as the Sky, My God, A Greater Song, A Child of the King, Incredible God, Incredible Praise, Sing Wherever I Go, King of Glory, Chain Breaker. That is so neat. She did it in a music note. He loves to sing. And then we've got love here. And it says, to the happy couple, happy anniversary. How sweet. Happy birthday, sending bear hugs. Adore, treasure, love, cherish. It says, sharing all of life together. Acts 2, 42 through 47. And that's another 20 on there. I wonder if she made all of those. That's so neat. That is cute. He will love this. I'm going to have to let him see this. I won't give it to him, but I'm going to let him see it. I'll probably make him a copy of this. 47 years. That's exactly right. And then forever love. And a little journaling card. I love that. And then, oh, on the back it has a pocket too. This is like that we made the other day that has the pockets on the bottom, I think. All right, what is this? Okay, we'll slide this off. And, oh, it opens up. She knows I love butterflies. To Edith, Whit, and Aaron, I would like to wish you and your husband a happy anniversary and wish Aaron a happy birthday. May God smile blessings of happiness always, Diane. Oh, thank you so much. I love that butterfly right there. That is so cute. You know that teal greens is my favorite color. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. This is going to look wonderful in that journal. Wonderful. So I'm going to put that back in there. All right. Okay, that was from Diane Christie. And I'm going to make sure that I covered her address up, but I've got her name right there. So I'm going to make sure I keep that with her name so that I can log it in here. And then I got this one today. I got Diane's yesterday, this one today. And this is from Betty Waldick. I think. I'm not sure because I actually tore the envelope. But Betty. This is from Betty, and I'm going to hide her address. And Christy didn't let me know on there that I've seen anywhere if you have a channel, YouTube, Etsy, anything like that. But if you do, list it in the comments below or send me a message and I'll put it on there. Oh, look at this. Happy birthday. Look at all that die cutting and all that intricate. Look at that. That's beautiful. Now, how does this open? I don't want to tear it. Oh, I see. It slides open and this slides off. Is that not neat? Now, does this open too? I don't think so. I think that's the closure. I've never seen a closure like that on a card before. That is neat. Okay, then what we got? Betty Waldeck. W-A-L-D-E-C-K. Waldeck. She's on Facebook as Betty Waldeck. She said that we could announce that. All right, let's see what we got in the pocket here. Oh, how cute. Look at these. Look at these. Oh my goodness. You cut all of these out and colored them? Oh my word, look at this. I love these. I'll use these in my journals. Look at that. Oh, I don't think I'm going to be able to put all these in the big journal. I'm going to have to use some of them in my other journals. Oh, wouldn't that look cute? Let me show you. Wouldn't that look cute right there? That would look darling right there. I'm going to have to put one in there. Got her little sunglasses on her head, or maybe that's a bow. A cake. Oh, that one's cute too. She's holding little birds. Betty, these are wonderful. I can't imagine. You had to do paper piecing on this, and paper piecing is not easy. Look at that. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. And she did coloring on that. That is darling. I love that. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I wondered if she had them all named, but she don't. But that is okay. That is, I'm going to have to put, let's see, which one did I say? I think this one right there maybe. Oh, I like that one too. I think I'm going to have to put this one with the cake right here in our journal. That right there. That is going to be cute. That's where we're going to put it right now. I'm going to do that before I put it anywhere else, before I forget, because that is sweet. I don't have the patience to do paper piecing like this. Doesn't it look so good there? Look. Now it shows there's a little pocket right there. I could slide these even in that little pocket. Oh my goodness. But I'm going to keep them with the card for now. Alright, so we're going to start off. I'm just going to use a blue pen. Let's start off with number 1. And that's going to be, and y'all have to excuse my writing because I have the arthritis in my hand is getting me today. I want to make sure that I spell it right. Christy, R-I-S-T-Y. So that's number 1. And then she sent, well, I'll list what she sent later. I'm going to leave a little space there. And then for number 2, I'm going to put Betty. And make sure I get her name spelled correctly. D-E-C-K. Absolutely. I'm going to have to go over and follow you on Facebook. I'm going to put that out here. Cute. So that's 2 entries already for our June challenge. Make sure, I'm going to list the information below, or list the link, so make sure that you go over and check the link out on how you can join in on the June challenge. You don't make the products or the projects and list them on our Facebook page like you did last month. This month you actually mailed them to us, so that we're going to include all of these in a journal. If they're a little bit too large for a journal, what we will do is we'll take a photo of them and put the photo in the journal with all of your information. And then when we get the journal made at the end of the month, we will have our drawing, and that will be for an Amazon gift card. And then we will also do a flip through of the journal that we made using all of your items. Now, Betty, your envelope did have stamps on there, but I collect all the stamps. So I put them on this book page and I'm saving them. Believe it or not, they weren't even canceled. But no, I'm not going to reuse them. I am just going to put them in my little stamp pouch, and I will use these on something later on. I think those would be good to use around the 4th of July. And also, she made these little pouches to put this stuff in. I think she actually made the envelope to put this in. And that is a very neat fill-in paper. I'll probably cut that apart and use that. It's a neat, it feels really, I don't know, it feels really grungy. So I'll probably use that too. All right, thank you guys so much. These are our first 2 entries in our book that we just today made. We just made it a few minutes ago and put the video up. So go back and watch for that video. All right, I'm looking forward to the next projects that we will get, and we will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.